Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's continue our chapter which is components of food and it is in biology. Okay, in the last video lecture we have started to understand the nutrients in detail and we have completed carbohydrates. Now today it's time to understand the second nutrient and its name is fats. So let's get started. First, let's understand what fats do in our body. So, fats gives us more energy compared to carbohydrate. Means suppose if you are eating one bowl of rice and on the other hand if you are eating half bowl of french fries. Okay, so whatever the energy you will get from one bowl of rice, okay, it will be more than that compared to the french fries, compared to the rice. मीन्स कहने का मतलब है कि आपको एक बोल राइस से जो एनर्जी मिलती है उससे 2 गुना एनर्जी आपको सिर्फ हाफ बोल फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाने से मिलती है. मीन्स फैट्स गिव्स यू मोर एनर्जी कंपेयर टू द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. क्वांटिटी कम लेकिन उससे एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस होती है कंपेयर टू द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो मे बी यू थिंक दैट बेटर टू ईट ओनली फैट रिच फूड. क्वांटिटी भी कम है प्लस एनर्जी भी डबल मिल रही है. सो वाई डोंट वी ट्राई इट इंस्टेड ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. Okay, so I will suggest you, no, you do not have to do that. Now what is the reason for that? I will tell you afterwards, but firstly let's understand what fats do in our body. So number 1 is that fats protects our vital organs. Fats प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर वाइटल ऑर्गन्स. इट मीन्स दैट हमारी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे स्पेशल ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक फ़ैट का लेयर है. इस फैट के लेयर की वजह से डायरेक्ट इंजरी नहीं होती है आपके रिस्पेक्टिव ऑर्गन्स के ऊपर. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ दैट इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी वार्म. हमारी बॉडी को वो वार्म रखने में हेल्प करता है. स्पेशली व्हेन द विंटर कम्स, एट दैट टाइम पीपल यूज टू ईट द फूड विच इज़ रिच इन फैट. Especially I'm giving you an example of Jammu and Kashmir. You see over that thoroughly whole year the temperature is quite low. So due to that reason, to keep their body warm, they used to eat the fat rich food. Means they are adding more amount of oil, ghee, so that they can keep their body warm. Also they are using meat and chicken in a huge quantity. So due to that reason it gives us warmth to their body, because fats function is to provide warmth to the body. Third reason is it helps to lubricate the joints so we can perform smooth movement. You know that suppose if you are riding the bicycle and your chain is starting rusted. ओके, आपकी चेन जो साइकिल की है वो रस्ट होना शुरू हो गई है. सो इसकी वजह से आपको पता है कि आवाज़ बहुत आती है, प्लस यू हैव टू अप्लाई मोर एफर्ट सो दैट यू कैन राइड द बाइक, right? But instead of that, to solve this problem, if you oil that chain and then if you are going to ride the bicycle, then it will be very smooth and very steady. So same thing is applicable for our body also. Our body is having bones, lots of bones. 206 bones are there. Each and every bones are attached with each other, and that place is known as joint. So if you lubricate your body properly, so this joint gets this lubrication and they can perform very smooth movement, and fat will going to play this role and provide us the lubrication so we can perform very smooth movement. Okay, so these things fat do in our body. Now the question arrived that why should we have to, so many advantages are there of eating the fat rich food. But why we are saying it to eat it in a small quantity, in a limited quantity? Because number one, suppose if you eat so much fat rich food and you are not using this energy, then it will store in terms of fat which will make you fat. जैसे नाम है न्यूट्रिएंट का, वैसे ही वो आपको बना देगा फैट. Okay, so due to that reason the problem arrives, and this disease name is obesity. Obesity means what? Obesity means the people is having weight more than the normal one. Means जो suppose आप 6th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहे हो, माइट भी आपका वेट है वो बिटवीन 30 to 40 kg होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर आपका वेट है 60 kg और 70 kg, then it is considered that you may have obesity. Means आपका वजन जितना होना चाहिए उससे बहुत ज़्यादा हो, so that condition is considered as a obesity. And if you consume more amount of food which is rich in fat, then definitely you will have this problem. And obesity सिर्फ अकेला डिजीज़ नहीं है, वो जब भी आता है तो बहुत सारे डिजीज़ को साथ में लेके आता है, जैसे कि ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम, हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम, कोलेस्ट्रॉल का प्रॉब्लम, थायराइड का प्रॉब्लम. So many problems arise with obesity. So that's why I'm saying you that you should eat fats in a limited quantity, in a small quantity. Okay, so अगर आप लोग बहुत सारा फ्राइड फूड खाते हैं तो make sure you eat the fried food once in a 15 days. मीन्स 15 दिनों में एक बार आपको खाना चाहिए. Okay, now let's see that what are the fat rich food. So these are some names of fat rich food, and number one is all kinds of dry fruits are very good source of fat. Okay, second is all the dairy products are very good source of fat. You can write just dairy product. Okay, if you want to write buttermilk, cheese, paneer, ghee, buttermilk, curd, etc., then you can write. But if you are writing dairy products, so it will definitely going to include these all ingredients, so better to just write dairy products. Just write dry fruits. Okay, अलग अलग से नाम लिखो, उससे better है कि आप सारे ही एक साथ में लिख लो. Next है which is eggs, then fish, meat, chicken. These are good source of fat. Also along with that, one thing is that is oil. All kinds of cooking oil are rich in fats. Okay, so these all things will going to provide you fat. इसीलिए हमेशा बोला जाता है कि कम तेल में बनाया हुआ खाना खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर वो ज़्यादा हो गया सो व्हाट कैन बी द पॉसिबिलिटी कि वो आपको एक तो फैट बना देगा, प्लस धीरे धीरे वो फैट है आपकी ब्लड वेसल्स में जमना शुरू हो जाएगा, विच कैन कॉज कोलेस्ट्रॉल प्रॉब्लम प्लस ब्लड प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम एंड लास्टली हार्ट प्रॉब्लम. सो इसलिए यू शुड ईट फैट इन अ लिमिटेड क्वान्टिटी. एंड आई नो दैट फ्राइड फूड इज़ मेड अप फ्रॉम द फ्राइंग प्रोसेस, एंड फ्राइंग प्रोसेस होती है ऑयल के अंदर. सो इसलिए बोल रही हो कि फ्राइड फूड इज़ रिच इन फैट्स, सो यू शुड ईट इन अ लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी. ऑल्सो बहुत सारी शुगर रिच फूड है, जैसे कि ब्रेड है या फिर बहुत सारी हैवी अमाउंट ऑफ चॉकलेट्स है. बहुत सारी चॉकलेट भी फैट रिच होती है, इसलिए उसको भी लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी में खाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज वो आपको टूथ डीके मीन्स दांत में प्रॉब्लम तो करेगा ही करेगा, एज वेल एज ओबेसिटी रिलेटेड इश्यू भी हो जाएगा. ओके, सो मेक श्योर you should eat fat rich food but in a limited quantity. Okay, now moving to the next is how can we identify that our food is rich in fat or not. So we can do one thing, just take a piece of paper and take some food. Okay, and you have to do that, you have to just rub it on the paper. ये एक चीज़ कर सकते हो. Second thing that you should have to take the cotton swab. ओके, जिसको हम Q-tip बोलते हैं. सो एक कॉटन स्वैब ले लो और उसके अंदर खाने को डिप करो एंड फिर पेपर के ऊपर स्ट्रोक्स लगाओ. ओके, अगर वो पेपर ट्रांसल्यूसेंट बन जाता है या फिर उसके ऊपर एक ऑयल पैच आ जाता है, देन यस your food consists fat. डू यू नो ना व्हाट इज़ ऑयल पैच? समटाइम्स आपका लंच बॉक्स अगर गलती से लीक हो गया हो और पेपर के ऊपर ऑयल का ड्रॉप पड़ जाए तो कैसा एक पैच जैसा हो जाता है. ओके उसको हम ऑयल पैच बोल रहे हैं. सो अगर ऐसा हो तो येस योर फूड इज रिच इन फैट्स. Okay, now I would like to show you the demonstration, so everybody get ready for that. Look at this. We have taken cooking oil and dip a swab in it, cotton swab, and we are going to just make strokes on the paper. So you see that immediately the oil patch arrived on the paper. And if you see it, if you keep it behind, if you keep it in front of the light, so definitely you can see that it becomes translucent. Now I'm going to try each and every ingredients like dry fruits, then peanuts, okay, cooking oil, everything I would like to try. So one by one everybody observe it. See, again this oil patches arrived and you can see the letter is there which reads like N or Z. So in one paper there is no oil patch and in another there is one patch which is in the center one, which is of cooking oil. Okay, so it proves that yes, the fat is present in the food. Okay, so that's it for the day. Okay, I will come with the next video in which we are going to understand the another ingredient and its name is protein. Okay, so till then keep your habits good. Okay, eat healthy and stay healthy. Have a nice day. Bye.